graduated, hindi na ako masyadong nag-worry kasi na baka mawala na lang bigla yung ministry na sinulan ko. And I was so confident that there would be people who would continue making an impact on our campus. And I think that's the ultimate goal of discipleship. You don't just introduce people to God and let them experience God's salvation. As they continue to grow in their relationship with God, we coach them, we help them, we train them, we teach them how to study and read the Bible, we teach them how to pray. And we introduce to them the vision of making disciples. The only evidence para malaman mo na yung isang disciple is already empowered is when he fully embraces the vision that God has called us to do and he steps out to mentor other people through the process of discipleship.
I'm excited to share, to engage people, to invite people, to make them experience kung ano yung naramdaman ko before. The first time na nag-lead ako na small group, I'll be honest, it was a disaster. Bumalik naman sila, I'm thankful naman. And I learned from that. I started from one na nag-surrender sa church. Siya na yung finokus ko. Siya na yung nag-invite ng people and all. Nagulat na lang yung leader ko. Kasi may small group ka na. Currently, I have small group ng mga freshmen. I have graduating students din na ini-small group right now. Ako, as graduating, ano ba? Pag umalis ka dyan, sino na may iwan? Empowering for me kasi a step of faith din siya. I think one important thing is trusting them. Parang sila yung ibibida mo. Believe na they can do better than you. Magiging magaling kang leader if your disciple is better than you. I'm happy right now seeing them na nag-grow kay God, na nagli-lead ng people.